We have endeavored to ensure that this examination is undertaken in a credible manner, and we want parents, we want teachers, we want guardians, we want center managers, we want security teams that are engaged with this exercise, not to allow any sort of malpractice to take place. Where these gaps have risen and anybody has engaged in this, the government has moved in very, very swiftly, and I've had all these culprits arrested, and they'll be appearing in court, and legal action, criminal legal action is being taken against them. I continue to warn Kenyans, please allow the students, allow the learners to do their exams. For instance, there are situations in Nairobi and other parts of the country where 5 or so people were arrested impersonating as the students. When we've indicated very clearly that this year's examination scripts are individualized in the sense that there is an actual photo of the student on the script. So when you send somebody else to try and do the exam on behalf of the child, in fact, it is foolishness because it is automatic that they will not be the same people, so they'll be arrested. And once they are arrested, they'll be taken to court, but the damage is worse because the student now will not do that exam because they are not in school. You do that exam because you sent somebody else. So in effect, you are destroying the lives of these children. And I would urge parents, I would urge any teacher, I would urge any guardian who wants to engage in these activities to desist. Where criminal action will be taken against these individuals, whether it's a teacher or somebody from the ministry, will be registering those teachers even after criminal process has been taken against them. The people who are involved from the education sector will never be allowed to work again in the education sector, and both their lives and the lives of the children that they destroyed will have been affected.